In this video, we're just going to look at a short problem, which was how to solve simultaneous equations when you've got a line and a parametric curve. Let's have a look. So this question says, find the coordinates of the points where the curve x equals cos 2 theta, y equals sine theta intersects the line x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0. So how do we solve this? Well, we could convert this into a Cartesian equation and then just solve however we normally like to solve simultaneous equations. But there's actually an easier way. And I just wanted to point this out now because it's going to crop up again from time to time in future videos. What we can do is this. We can just take our parametric equation and just sub in the x formula for x and the y formula for y into the line and then solve that. Take a look. I'll take my line. It begins with x, so I'll replace x with cos 2 theta, and then it's minus 3y, and I'll just replace y with sine theta, and there'll still a plus 1 and it equals 0. So my job is now to solve this. Well, actually this is a familiar equation if you've looked at my videos on trig or you know about solving equations using double angles, because I can replace cos 2 theta with 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So doing that, I get 1 minus 2 sine squared theta minus 3 sine theta plus 1 equals 0. Okay, what have we got here? It's a quadratic in sine theta. I'm actually going to move everything to the right-hand side. So I'll add 2 sine squared theta to both sides. I'll add 3 sine theta to both sides, and then I'll subtract 2. I've got 1 and 1, so I'll subtract 2 from both sides. And now this is a quadratic I can solve. This one factorizes, so it's 2 sine theta minus 1 and sine theta plus 2. But you don't need to solve these using factorizing. You can just use your calculator to solve it. It really doesn't matter. There's no extra marks for factorizing. You're just getting marks for if you can solve it. So this means that either sine theta equals a half or sine theta equals negative 2. Well, sine theta does not equal negative 2. There's no solutions there. Sine theta equals a half though. There are solutions. Theta equals pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6. So you just get that from your calculator and do pi minus the first answer to get your second. Okay, but that's actually not my answer because the question said find the coordinates of the points. All right, so when theta is pi over 6, what are our coordinates? Well, x is cos of double that, which is pi over 3, and that's just a half. And y is sine of pi over 6, which is also a half. So that gives us the coordinates half, half. And what about when theta is 5 pi over 6? Well, what we get is x is cos of double that, which is 5 pi over 3, and that is minus a half, and we get y is sine of 5 pi over 6, which is a half. And so the coordinates we get from that are minus a half and a half. So we found the coordinates of the 2 points where the line x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0 intersects the curve with parametric equation x equals cos 2 theta, y equals sine theta. So that's a useful skill and one to bear in mind in future videos. All right, I'll see you in the next video.